All right, today what we're going to be doing is changing the windshield wiper blades on this Z3 M Coupe. Super simple. So recently I got some new tires at the Michelin dealer, and they gave me some Michelin windshield wipers as part of the special. No discount on tires, but a great deal on some Michelin windshield wipers. So what we're going to need to do is get to these windshield wipers, and as you can see, we can't really lift them up too high because the hood's in the way. So we're going to go ahead and open the hood and get in there to get really accessed. First step is just pop the hood. Really simple. Once we open it up, we'll have full access to those windshield wipers. All right, so now that we have the hood open, what we're gonna be able to do is get to these windshield wipers. Super simple. Simply pull it up, go right here, and we're gonna pull straight down, and it comes right out. Some cars have a left and right windshield wiper blade size, but on the Z3, it's just a 20-inch blade on both sides. Okay, so the wipers come with an extra piece. We don't need that. So we only need this piece because we're gonna pop this open and it's gonna go right in. So watch this. Pop this open. Okay. Yeah, once you just pop that open, push this back a little bit here, open, snaps right in. Close it up. You are good to go. All right, so now we're on to the other side. It's a little tight, and it only will work. You push this back and get it off, and you got in a tight spot here, but this is the only place it's going to work. So get it off. We're going to get once you have the new one, same situation here. Snap-a-doodle it in, close it up. You're good to go. Now, as one finishing touch, we're going to take off the protective blade cover. That's it. You're good to go. And that's all it takes to do a Z3 M Coupe windshield wiper blades. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.